Hello, and welcome to our short animation to show how Recoup wastewater heat recovery systems work. In this animation, we'll show you the Recoup Pipe Plus HE, but the process and installation designs apply to all of our products. The concept of wastewater heat recovery systems is to preheat the cold water feeding the system by using the heat energy from the shower wastewater. As there is so much heat energy left in the waste shower water, actually around about 35 degrees from a showering temperature of 40 degrees, we are able to run this through our heat exchanger to then transfer the heat to the cold feed before it goes down into the main drainage. The preheated water, which is around about 25 degrees, feeds the shower and the water heater. This is shown as System A. This provides a huge energy boost to the system, meaning much less energy is required than normal. System B only supplies preheated water to the shower. This simple installation is not as efficient as System A, but is perfect for easy retrofitting and applications with multiple showers. System C just feeds the water heater. This is mainly used for townhouses, but is the least common out of all of the installation methods.